Hey folks, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install PyCharm the simplest way. Stay connected until the end of this video.
So in the Google Chrome, just type, or in Safari, whatever the browser you use, just type Python download and it will redirect you to the JetBrains. And in the JetBrains, I would go for the community edition because I don't have to pay for this one. But for the professional one, there's only 30 days free trial available. And then I think this is good for the companies, but this one is for the personal use. And then you have to select, oh, this is only for the MacBook, by the way, what I'm showing you right now, because we don't have anything such for the Windows. It's direct download for Windows and also I think for the Linux. But since Mac has two different chips now, M1, the specific from Apple, and the older one, which is from Intel. So mine is M1, so I would choose Apple, and then it will download a .tmg file for the setup. So now let's wait for a couple of seconds till it completes. It's done. I will just open it. Yeah, so drag and drop it to the applications. I would close this window. So yeah, once it's done, then I will just eject PyCharm. And then I would go to the Launchpad and I would type PyCharm, and here it is. That's it. So simple. Just say yes. And here we go. You have successfully installed PyCharm into your MacBook Pro.
So that's it. Thanks for visiting my channel. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified every time I create something new for you. So until then, stay safe and keep coding.